Filling in, the art of substituting. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but intriguing English phrase, fill in for someone. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means to fill in for someone, how to use it in sentences, and some examples to clarify the concept. The phrase, fill in for someone, means to substitute for someone else, to take over their duties or responsibilities temporarily. This can happen in various situations, at work, in a sports team, or even in performing arts. The essence of this expression lies in its flexibility and the context in which it's used. Professional context. In a professional setting, you might fill in for a colleague who is on vacation or sick leave. This means you'll temporarily take on their tasks in addition to your own. Personal context. On a personal level, you might fill in for a friend in a social commitment, such as attending a meeting or event on their behalf. Other situations. This phrase can also apply to more casual or less formal scenarios, such as playing a position in a sports game when the regular player is unavailable. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be incorporated into your everyday English. I'm filling in for Jane at the reception desk while she's on her lunch break. Can you fill in for me in the meeting tomorrow? I have a doctor's appointment. Our regular guitarist is sick, so we have someone filling in for him at tonight's gig. These sentences showcase the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its use in different contexts to mean taking over someone's responsibilities temporarily. To remember, fill in for someone, think of filling a gap. Whenever there's a gap because someone is absent, think about how you or someone else can step in to fill that space. This visual can help solidify the meaning of the phrase in your mind. Understanding and using the phrase, fill in for someone, can add a great deal of nuance to your English. It's about stepping into roles temporarily, helping out, and showing adaptability. We hope this video has clarified how and when to use this expression. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations will help you master them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more English in our next video.